Okay, so I think we can start the meeting. Welcome you all for the thing. This is going to be our seventh talk today. We have our amazing citizen scientists with us, James, who participated in previous asteroid reduction program. We welcome our citizen scientists, Sharon Ledya, Sajadid Begum, Lalit Vikraman, and Kausalya. So those four citizen scientists will meet you all and share their experience, how they have detected asteroids, how they have participated in the international campaign, and everything. So this session will be like more or less some question answer session, and you can throw some of the questions if you are interested to ask them. So once again, welcome you all for this wonderful talk. One quick reminder: actually, we are setting up the live stream, but maybe the live lectures. If there is some lectures, we will record the session and post it in the YouTube. Okay, later. Yeah. So the time is now for the meet. Yes.
Uh, the question is actually a very interesting question because asteroid search is one of the fascinating thing. I felt like it was a dream because I'm from a rural area, so I have a lot of interest in astronomy. As from a rural area, I have to work hard to become an to be travel in space and to become an efficient person in astronomy. But this program enhanced me a lot. I'm not at all traveling in space and not at all seeing any asteroids, but I was detecting the asteroids through a new software called Astrometrica. It was very new to me. In that Astrometrica, we have firstly got the image set from the website called International Asteroid Collaboration. There I was participated as a citizen scientist. I have taken all the photo images from that IASC website, and I uploaded those things in Astrometrica, and have eminently searched every point on that image set. I have detected the main belt asteroids, which was moving in a narrow direction. I'm very happy and privileged to do this. It's all because of you, sir. Thank you so much, Surendra sir, for this wonderful opportunity, and thank you so much for calling me to give the feedback. Is there any questions I can answer?
Yeah. So thank you. Yes, there might be a few questions from the participants. Later, we will discuss that. Yeah, thank you, Kausalya, for your amazing experience.
Thank you.
And maybe someone from the school now share their experience. Sharon, can you share your experience? How did you participate? What all the experience you gathered?
Yes, so sure, sir. I'll to share my experience. Um, Sir, am I audible and visible now? That is is my video visible?
Yes, yes, you are visible. Yeah, we can go ahead.
Sir, thank you. Thank you for first of all, thank you for giving me this wonderful and prestigious opportunity to talk about the campaign. Thank you for that first. Thank you. And to talk about the campaign, first of all, I was a very passionate child from in the field of astronomy and space science and technology from my childhood. So I always had an interest in the astronomy field. Then my Shankar sir, who is my guider and a well-wisher of my of all times, guided me to pass in this way. This way, I think this way is very wonderful, and this is the right path which I could have gone, and will make me a true astronomer and my career in astronomy field, sir. And also, I think it is very blissful to get you, that is Mr. Surrender sir as my guide. In this campaign, not only I learned to detect asteroids and use the software Astrometrica, I also learned um, many basic and common and very essential things to be known. And uh, and this campaign made me a very basic or a citizen scientist in an IISc. This is a very good opportunity, and we I think we have used this campaign to the core, and we learned many things in this campaign. We were a team of 4 members, that is me and Shahjadi Begum, Lalit Vikraman, and Shiva Subramani. Brother. We were a few members, and we had we had team discussions and meetings. All the doubts, all our doubts were cleared in a very good and undoubtful manner. And when we talk about the image sets and the procedure of the this campaign, we got the sets which is taken in the night sky all through the night, which we got from Hawaii telescope, and that is the telescope which is located in Hawaii, which is named as Pansaurus 1. Then all the support we got from Chiguru Colab. We thank to the core of our heart to Chiguru Colab. This is our the Chiguru Colab made us involved in this astronomy field. And for this 1 month, that is, we performed 1 month campaign, and 64 we found I think we found 64 true signatures of asteroid. And at the end of this campaign, we got 13 objects, that is 13 asteroids as a result. And as a result of this, we got a certificate from IISc and a partnership with there is partnership with NASA. We are very thankful, and we are so grateful to you, sir. Thank you for guiding us and doing everything we want, sir. Thank you for this opportunity, and once again, thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Sharon. Thank you very much. Now, maybe they are the little citizen scientists we have: Sharon, Sajadi, and Lalit. Sharon, thank you very much for your amazing experience sharing. Now, maybe Lalit Vikraman, can you share your experience quickly? How did you enjoy it? Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Hello, Lalit, please.
Is my voice is audible, sir?
Yes, you are audible. Please.
Yes. Hello, everyone. I'm ASS Lalit Vikraman from grade 10 of the Vijay Millennium Senior Secondary School, Krishnagiri, from Tamil Nadu. I'm here on the day of International Asteroid Day. You all know about asteroids, I think. And now, me and my teammates have found the asteroids. That sounds great, right? Yes. Me, Lalit Vikraman, and Shiva Subramani, Sharon Lydia, and Sajadi Begum. Before have found 64 asteroids revolving around the Earth. Mainly 13 of them were selected by ICE. I will now explain about the data, how we did, when we did, and what are all the approaches that we have received from the people. In University of Hawaii, the telescope named Pan-STARRS 1 will take the images of the night sky and post in the special website. From the website, the IRC collect the image sets and upload it to Chiguru Colab. We have received the image sets from the we have received the image sets, and from that we have before have found 64 asteroids, and 13 of them were selected by ICT. We got a wonderful opportunity to become a student of Chiguru Colab. We are guided by a teacher named Shankar, who is a science teacher. Apart from this, I give a big thanks to Surendra sir, who taught us about the asteroids in a better manner. We have gifted to get a wonderful guide, Surendra sir. Thank you, sir, for working with the website named Astrometrica. Once again, happy International Asteroid Day. And we have interviewed by news channels Pudhiya Talaimurai, DD Podugai, and Pudiyugam, and printed in the newspapers The Hindu, Malay Murasu, Kalai Kadi, Dinamani, and Dinagaram, and printed in a book named Ananda Vigadan. Thank you, sir, for giving me a pleasurable time.
Yeah. Thank you, Lalit. It was really wonderful experience for us to bring you all. So yeah, that was really amazing experience from Lalit. Sajadi Begum, do you want to share something about your experience?
Yes, sir. Is my voice audible, sir?
Yes, you can share.
Hi, I'm Shahjadi Begum from Nalanda International Public School, Krishnagiri. From International Asteroid Search Collaboration, we have done one program like it's named as Astromatica. It's 1 second. Sir, is my voice audible, sir?
Yes, yes, you can speak.
From the website of IAC collect the image sets and it sends to from Chiguru Colab we have done this, sir. From with the help of Citizen Science Chiguru Colab. We are inspired by your presentation. As Lalit said, we are very gift to get you, sir.
Yeah. So Sajadi, done?
So,
Okay. Yeah, so Sajadi, thank you very much again. So we hope you also had a wonderful experience while searching asteroids. Now, maybe we can post a different question. You people started detecting asteroids. Did you felt like you are a scientist? Maybe one quick answer from you all, from the part. I mean,
Yes,
citizen science.
sir. Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
I
Yeah, can Kausalya?
I actually feel like an astronaut. I was traveling in space and studying about the asteroids. It's my dream,
Was
sir. It
that
was
was great.
actually worked out.
Yeah, that was great.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
So,
Yes.
according to my opinion, I really I did that is when we get one every time we get the image sets, and when we work out the every image sets, and when we complete one cell and go to another cell every second we felt that we are contributing to our mother India, and we are contributing to find the asteroid which is a potential hazardous and which is very useful in the astronomy field. We felt a very good feel, and as you said, we felt like a scientist. So we felt very proud, and when you say that we are a citizen scientist, we feel very happy in our whole heart. So thank you.
So thank you, Shatra.
And one more point, sir.
Yeah. Yes, Kausalya.
Sir, you have told me that when I was starting to perform in this program, you have told that after 5 or 6 years, this asteroid was named, and if you Google it, you'll show your name as a founder in that place. That was a dream to me, sir. Thank you so much. On that way, I feel like a scientist.
Yeah. So it's a continuous process. Yes, as Kausalya said, citizen science program is a continuous process. We need to participate. I mean, we need to learn more things constantly, especially when we are detecting asteroids or detecting exoplanets. Whatever citizen science program, we need to contribute more. When we are contributing more, the probability of finding an asteroid or naming an asteroid will be high. So maybe I'm asking all the participants to contribute more to the citizen science programs. Yes. One more quick question to the citizen scientists. Did you felt or did you heard any term before? What is citizen science? Do you have any? Do you thought any idea in your mind when you have started this asteroid detection? Or did you hear this word citizen science or citizen research in your school days or before participating in this program? Quick comments. Anyone?
Sir, yes, sir, sure. Because when I was starting this campaign, when they said that if we perform this program, we are going to be a citizen scientist. We felt that what is citizen? I was thinking with my group that what is citizen scientist? We can, that is, we had an assumption that citizen scientists, that is, we are all citizens and we are going to find something. But after entering this program, we got to know the real meaning of citizen scientist, and we were happy, sir.
That was nice. That was amazing. Yes, the citizen science program is open for everyone. Yes, Kausalya, you want to share something?
Ah, yeah, sir.
Yeah,
Uh,
please.
before doing this program, I don't know anything about citizen scientist. I didn't even know the term called a citizen scientist. After you told me about the details, and I have gone through some of the websites, what is meant by citizen scientist, how it was happening before years, then I have learned, then I have studied that there is lot and lot, millions and millions of people was doing as a citizen scientist. From the very first day, I think that this was I think this was a small program, but after going through about citizen scientist, I feel so privileged and proud that I was a scientist of this nation while I was pursuing my undergraduate. That was like, still it was like a dream. I can't believe. I After receiving the certificate, I have done it for 2 months course, one with my UG college friends, and I again participated as a volunteer from Open Space Foundation.
It's on and off.
It's also
So
a pleasure to me. While receiving those two certificates, I feel like below my name, I was referred as a citizen scientist. Before that, I don't know nothing, sir. You gave me the pathway to know about the citizen scientist, sir. Thank you so much.
So, thank you, Kausalya. Yes, as
Sir,
participants. Yes, Lalit, do you want to share?
sir, yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, before attending these classes, I just know what is the asteroid that creates effective destruction in the earth. But after this campaign, when I attended this campaign and after finishing it, I I got to know what are the details and what are the dreams to be come true. And asteroids are the things which are very dangerous. And when we detect, we are proud. And when we after 5 to 6 years, we are going to keep the name. I think that I'm very me and my team are very happy to do that, because when asteroids is detected by us, while crores and crores peoples are in the world, only particularly some people are finding them. That time me and my teammates are very proud to keep that. And thank you, sir. This means, I think, in my point of view, this means a citizen scientist. And thank you, sir, for coaching us.
Yeah. So thank you, Lalit. Yes, as Lalit said, and all the panel members discussed, there are many citizen science programs. Citizen science is like I'm not a science person, but I'm curious to learn science. Yes, the platform is for you. You can become a citizen scientist, and you can research about it. You can learn more things about the science, about the technology, whichever whatever you are interested. So yes, you all people can become a citizen scientist. Not only when you are part of like as Farhan sent in the chat box. You don't need a distributed computer software or Zooniverse to become a citizen scientist. See, the citizen science is a process of learning and how you are contributing to the science community or technological community. For example, if you are located in a village or a urban area, you are surrounded with many trees, plants, flowers, whatever. You can study about them, you can picturize it, and you can name them, and you can keep it as a document, or you can post it in your website, or you can post it in your social network. Like, this is the flower I have detected, I have identified in our locality. You can share something about the detection or method you tried. You can learn about it, how you are identifying those flowers. Or somebody interested in the quality of water, You can check your water quality in your locality. There are many ways you can learn, you can contribute to the science and technology community. There are many open programs still available. You can create something like a universe or something. Okay. Yes, the citizen science is like the process of science living. Let's say. Yeah. So thank you very much for the panel members who discussed about the citizen science. Yes. Maybe one more question from my side, and then we will open the floor for questions from the participants. Maybe final questions to all the panel members. Once you have participated in this program, did you share this opportunity with your team members or your classmates or your brothers, sisters who are in your neighborhood? Is there any specific answer? You all can open. I mean, one by one you can speak. Thank you.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, once again, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
We after completing this campaign, we shared this program with everybody who was interested in these things. So whenever anybody asked here who heard the news about where we found an asteroid, they all came to us and asked about the program and how to what are the procedures to join this program, and they were curious about what is this program about. And after asking about these about their interest, we shared every details of this program, and we like everybody to join this program so they can uh, contribute something to find something, sir. So after 5 to 6 years, our name is going to be um, there is after 5 to 6 years, our names are also be recorded in your script or anything, sir. But so I'm willing to join my friends, and always I recommend my friends and neighbors to join this program, sir.
Thank you, Sharon. Thank you. Others, maybe Kausalya,
Sir,
Sajati.
yeah, sir. After completing this program for the first time, me and my team members in my UG college, we have explained this one by one on the Science Day event of our college. We have talked about this to all the department in our college. We have shared the website and helped them to study about this. They have continuously asking us, is there another month program? That much we have explained to them. We have actually planned to put a PPT about this program, but the image sets and some things were confidential. We can't put the PPT. We have just explained the words. They were so they were they get so fascinated about this. They asked us continuously about you and the program and the website. And I suggested many members to join as a volunteer in Open Space Foundation also, sir. We have shared a lot in our UG college, sir.
That's great. That's great. Yeah. So, someone from the participant side, Govind Sharma, who shared, like, yes, I shared to my group members. That was really appreciated. Thank you, Govind Sharma. Do share with us. Yes, from Sajadi and Lalit, do you have any experiences?
Yes, sir. One second.
Yes, Lalit.
Yes, sir. Sir, when we after this completion of this asteroid research, we have been just publicity in newspapers and in news channels, sir. After that, we got a great opportunity to see CEO madam and to get positive comments of this asteroid research. What we got as a certificate. After that, in my school, uh, they have uh, they have appreciated me for a great level, and my friends asked how you did, what are the protocols you followed, and just so on. And I explained about Chiguru Colab, that it is a useful class, and from there I found asteroids, and that's very pleasure to me, sir, to say what I found and what are the things that you explained to me and my teammates, and that all I share to my friends, and they also be proud on me and as well as you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, Lalit. Sajadi Begum?
Sir, is my voice audible, sir?
Yes, ma'am. You can go ahead.
As I shared my experience to friends, uh, uh, like as I shared my experience to my friend, they encouraged me. On the time, I was very proud to be a citizen scientist. Two members joined, sir, and as Lalit said, name came in Vigran book also, newspapers, TVs, and all. We are very proud, sir. In future, we have a dream to work in NASA. Yes, sir. And a very, we are very inspired by a presentation, by teaching all. Thank you for giving a very good session, sir.
Okay, thank you, Shadavi. So, almost, I felt like they have shared their experience with others, and others also curious to participate in such programs. Yes. Once again, to the participants, the floor is open for questions. You can ask some questions, and very quick announcement. These kind of citizen science programs open for all. It's not limited with the people who has science background or technology, mathematics background. It's not like that. You are a curious person to learn science and technology. Yes, you can learn. You can research. You can do something. You can contribute to the science community. We can all participate. Whatever stream you are interested, maybe you can post your comments in the chat box. We can discuss about it. If you couldn't find some citizen science program based on your passion or interest, maybe you can let us know. We will help you to find such program. Or we all together sit and discuss and create new programs as a citizen science, citizen research. Yes, the floor is open for questions. The participants or viewers, you can put some questions or you can ask some questions to the panel members. The people are happy to answer your questions. This is a very limited edition questions. No, we should not offend the panel members. Yes,
Hi, sir,
the
Meenakshi.
floor is open for questions.
Hello, sir, Meenakshi this side, sir.
Yeah, hi Meenakshi. You can post your questions. Yes, you can post your questions to one of the panel members, or you can post it to us.
Sir, I have
Yes.
one question. Sir, this is a one program I know, citizen science program regarding asteroids. And other programs I want to know. You can
Mhm.
just message, or you can just tell me what are other programs.
Yeah, there are many citizen science program like this. One such program is you can find some program in Zooniverse. Zooniverse is a one such platform where many citizen, big industries or research domains, research organizations, they will list their in the citizen science portal called
Can you
Zoom.
share the list or
This
link,
one
sir?
thing, and it's a ranking Zoom. Yeah, just you may check in Universe, Zooniverse. Okay, I put it in the chat. You can check this the Zooniverse. Okay, you can get to the website. Okay, so that is one thing. Audible, right? Hello.
Yes, sir, you're audible, sir.
Yes, you are audible.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you can audible.
Thank you. There are few more
Yes, sir,
programs.
you're audible, sir.
Yeah,
There
I
are more
also heard
programs
about the
in.
Zooniverse program. I think a few months back, and some article also I saw. It's quite interesting. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. Yes, and few more programs related to space. There is Gravity Spice there, one more research program, citizen science program, and Einstein at Home is another citizen science program, and there is a program called gravitation waves detection. They hosted their own website where you can learn about the gravitation waves and you can contribute back to the gravitation waves. Deduction process. Yes, you all can check that. Maybe I will share few links here later. Once you can throw your questions to the panel members, we will do that. Yes, Farhan. Thank you very much. Farhan shared some link in the chat. It's Universe link and Bonic Berkeley Lab link, Berkeley Lab link. Yes, you can utilize those opportunities. Any other questions? Thank you, Meenakshi, for your amazing question.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Also you can check Sai Starter. I will share the link later. Yes, others can ask the questions.
Okay, sir.
Thank you so much for the program. How many years you have been mentoring the children? I find a lot of interest in the children who are doing very well in participating as well as contributing. Can you give a little more this thing of the background, how you are grooming the children onto this program?
Yeah, sure. Thank you. So maybe it's a question for me. Not only for me, yeah, for our sure. Team. Thank you. So we are. So maybe it's a question for me. Not only for me, it's for our team, I guess. So we are motivating children to take part of the science activities. I was part of Tamil Nadu Science Forum earlier, where we organized a program. It's a national level program. Tamil Nadu Science Forum is one in a state level. So which is called the National Children's Science Congress, where we have motivated children to participate in the National Children's Science Congress program. There was a district level program, and state level program, and national level. Many of our students participated in such program. That was really amazing experience. They have received child scientist award from our some of they received from the president, and some of them received from young scientists. That was really amazing experience. This was in 2013-14. Later, we decided that we need to take some quality. I mean, not a quality, some science equipments or instruments where school children didn't have the access. Let's say precisely the rural school children, they didn't have the access such to get some instruments. So we decided to take some telescopes, some microscopes, some basic instruments to the schools where they have no access of such instruments. We will show them and demonstrate it, exhibit it, and we allow them to turn and focus something. That was really amazing. So we started in that way. Then later we realized not only providing such opportunities will not motivate the students. So we have to design some kind of active engagement. Such citizen science programs students have discussed as such programs. One such activity. There are some other activity like students can map the pollen grains which is available in their locality. So whichever flowers giving, whichever pollen grains they could find in their locality, they can map it using a foldoscope. Foldoscope is a foldable microscope. It's a paper one, like a origami thing. You can fold and make your own microscope. Some of the students are doing that. So we're still motivating students to join in such program. And one more program is like the coding specific that we are designing now. Maybe some students interested in the coding stuff, or they want to learn something related to artificial intelligence or machine learning. They may be slowly start from the scratch. So that we are designing now. Maybe we will analyze later. Yeah, so this is how we are starting. Maybe in future we will bring more such programs to the student audience. One more good program I want to really share. So we are developing a telescope for the students. So this is our dream one student, one telescope. So we are like we want to bring telescope to all the students as much as affordable. So we are developing that. Maybe later. August or September, we will try to release that also. So, yeah, this is kind of program we are doing and motivating lecturing students. Thank you very much for your question.
One more just add-on point in this respect. Are you focusing on the spectrum side also of some of these objects?
Yeah, Yeah, we are interested, but right now we don't.
Want to connect these type of people. I want to make a team or so that I can do some works on weekends on these science projects. But I just had to go my office and then came back and there is nothing all around. I just got your number. I don't know from somewhere. So that's I connect to you, sir.
Okay. So maybe we can discuss that later. Thank you very much. Yes, maybe someone can, yeah, ask questions to the panel members. I mean, the citizen scientists who are here. Yes, someone is asking. Maybe you can communicate to the Creative Commons. Creative Commons is a one such organization. They are motivating to publish all the knowledge in the Creative Commons platform. Like knowledge is common for all. Farhan, my suggestion is I'm not sure. I don't know such tools to publish the results or findings. Creative Commons is one such platform. You can communicate with them and you can ask their support. They will definitely support if you are working in the knowledge commons domain. Like you are interested in mathematics, but if you want to publish your mathematics result in the common platform, you can surely communicate the Creative Commons. That they may really support and help you. Thank you, Farah. Any other questions from the participants? How we do we see the astronauts by now? Seeing an astronaut is different. Astronauts in the space is different. Are you asking like some astronauts are in International Space Station? Do you want to see them, or do you want to see the astronaut who are living on Earth? Yes, we can see the two questions I'm answering. Yes, we can see astronauts in the space. We can communicate the International Space Station and we can see them and we can say hi bye. So that is different story. We need some antenna facility. Maybe some of these students are aware about ham radio thing, right? So these International Space Station astronauts are ham people. They will regularly host such programs. We can try to communicate them. They maybe offer some meet the astronaut program where we can participate. But really, it's a hard process. It will take too much of time, get approval and everything. So we will try that our best to host some such program to meet the International Space Station astronaut to meet them. And one more thing, yes, we can invite some astronauts to give talks in online, or we can invite someone to be physical to meet them. So that also possible, but depends on the astronaut who is like if someone maybe expect some support from us, travel arrangements and many things. So it's really hard to mobilize and organize things. Yes, we can try that. Hashini Saranya, we can try that.
Sir,
Marutai,
sir,
yes, yes,
can I
Kausalya,
say
yes,
one thing for that final question?
yes, please, please.
We can see an astronaut in real now. Like there is a lot of websites, a lot of link and channels in YouTube. I was following one called Universal Science Hub. There they were posting a live recordings of satellites and astronauts and everything there. You can have an experience first by seeing in a video. Thank you, sir. The YouTube channel name is Universe Science Hub.
Thank you, Kausalya. If possible,
Thank
maybe
you.
you can just share the link in the group. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, the Rajarajan question, I don't believe the inhuman pharaohs aether present in the outer universe, outer space. No, I don't have that belief. maybe someone can ask something related to the citizen science activities, especially asteroid detection. So some participants from our end, as a citizen scientist, they have detected some asteroids. Some of those asteroid true signatures of asteroid have moved to the provisional level, that is numbered under their name. So it's there. Maybe you can ask some questions to them. Okay, so if there is no more questions, maybe we can come to the end of this session. I think we have planned this session for 1 to 1.5 hours. It's almost 1 hour we discussed, and they have shared their amazing experience of participating in the citizen science program, especially asteroid detection program. It was really amazing. Thank you very much to the panel members, let's say citizen scientists of Chiguru, Lalit, Sajadi Begum, Sharon Vidya, Kausalya. So I'm really thankful to you, and some of the coming citizen, I mean emerging citizen scientists are here, especially Marda is here, and many participants who are trying to learn astrometrica and participate, I mean to detect the asteroids. I'm welcoming you for a future, to become a future citizen scientist. So once again, thank you very much, all the citizen scientists, and thank you very much for your wonderful time. And once again, I'm thanking all the participants who have, our listeners who have participated in this amazing session. I'm hello. I-
Hello? Am I
yes.
the question?
Okay,
Sorry.
thank you all.
Yeah, I couldn't hear both Sajadi Begum and
Madhuri,
so thank you very much again. We'll,
Madhuri has
what?
Sir,
told that
yes,
how
sir.
fast
Hello.
Sir, can you hear me, sir?
Hello?
Sir,
Yes.
Madhuri has posted that how asteroids are harmful to us, sir. Hello?
Hey,
Am I
asteroids are
audible, sir?
harmful. Yes. In terms of
May I reveal the answer, sir?
Yes, yes. ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿ ಕೇಳ್ತದೆ ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನಾರು. Marde asked a question, how are asteroids harmful to Earth? Note, the answer should come from a citizen scientist.
If asteroid falls
hold
on
on.
Earth, it destroys a city, and if it falls on ocean or a sea, devastating of tsunami.
and one more
yes.
answer,
Sajadi,
Madhuri. Uh, if an asteroid was, the speed of the asteroid is